Hey Maria and Victor, it's Bobbie. I hope you guys are doing well. So Maria mentioned that you are looking to build a website for your business. Um, I do build websites, but I don't just build them to be pretty so that you can show them to people. I build them with SEO so that way they're on the top of the search engine. When anyone is searching for your services, your website is on the top. That way you're bringing in more clients and just building more revenue for your company. So I'm excited to show you guys what I found. So when I do research, the first thing I do is I go to Google. I typed in foundation repair Fort Worth just so we can see what we're dealing with and so we can figure out what needs to happen so that you are on the top of the search engine. So this first portion right here, it's the sponsor section or the ad section. So you're there whenever you pay Google to be listed for whatever particular keyword. A couple of things about the ad section is first, they're pay-per-click. So each time somebody clicks on this right here, whether they become a client or not, Google charges you for every single click. A good thing though is that new website browsers nowadays they come up with automatic pop-up blockers. So if somebody who has a newer computer, newer website or newer laptop, they might not necessarily see any of this because they're being blocked by their laptop. So moving down, this next section right here is the Google Business Profile or the Map Pack section. So in order to be right here, you have to have a Google Business Profile. I looked and I couldn't find one for you guys, so I'm not sure if you have one or not. Um, to get on here, a lot of times people think that it's location based only. While that is one of the factors, it's not the only factor. It's not even the most important factor. Google likes to rank people here based on their content or their knowledge. So basically, content is king. Google puts people here that have the most content, the most keywords right here that people are searching for in their website and in their Google business profile, but also they look at what directories you're listed in. So they want to see, they put businesses up here that are popular and have authority in Google's eyes. And in order for you to get there, one of the things is you have to be listed in as many strong directories throughout the internet. So they have to be relevant directories. It can't be something about food because if you food or Pizza Hut, something like that, because that's going to actually hurt you instead of helping you. So what I do is I go to the top 3 to 5 competitors and I get their best, strongest directories they're in, and I list you in there. So I want to show you something. Um, I did some research. I have this tool right here that I use. It's telling me that the business that's on the top of the map, that they have 21 directories. You guys actually have 2 directories you're listed in. Facebook is actually one of them, and whenever I click right here, it'll tell me what the other one is. In order for you to beat them, I suggest to be listed in about 80 directories. And so I can go to the top competitors directories and get you in them so that you're at the top of the search engine right there. The next thing that we're going to look at underneath here is the organic section, and this is where your website is whenever whenever we have one built for you. This first section right here, this is just something that people also ask, but the first actual business that's right here is this one, Olshan Foundation Repair. I wanted to figure out why they're number one and what we can do to duplicate that. So I use this other tool that I have right here. I entered their website right here. You notice right here, this one says Fort Worth. So the page that's being ranked is their Fort Worth location. So this tells me a couple of things. So this is probably a nationwide business or it has multiple locations, and this one has multiple regions. Right here it says they're probably across the whole United States, but this is their Fort Worth page individually. So one thing that Google looks at, as we mentioned before, is your popularity and authority. in order for you to be authoritative, they want you to have a good backlink profile. A backlink basically is whenever other websites list your website on their page and it just points back to you. So this right here is showing me that their website, just this right here.com, it's very popular in Google's eyes, but it's showing me that this particular one, the Fort Worth one, they have a low rating, but they're still powerful because of this. This website has two, well, not the website, this back page Fort Worth has two backlinks pointed to them from one website. But this is a big part right here. It's telling me that Google has found 66 keywords on the Fort Worth page, and it's bringing them 57 visits of traffic to the Fort Worth page alone. So I clicked right here so we can figure out what keywords they are, and this is the good part right here. So as I scrolled down right here, you see these are all the words that they're ranking for. So basically it means these are the keywords that people are typing in verbatim on Google on a monthly basis. If we scroll down here, foundation repair Fort Worth, just this way, this verbiage right here alone, it searched 150 times every single month. So imagine if you can get ranked for this one word, how much more traffic, how much more business could that bring you in? So more than 150 people look for foundation repair in Fort Worth, because you see right here, DFW, that's 100 times, just repair Texas. So these are just multiple ways on which people actually search them, but this is how many times they are typed in the search engine, just verbatim with what this says right here. So I hope this gives you a little bit of an idea why I don't just build any regular website that looks pretty for Google. I want to make sure that your website is actually working for you and bringing you in more clients. So I hope this helps. Give me a call. I am excited to hear what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon.